Sushiro with Kelsey. Hi, Kelsey. Hello. Hi, Kelsey. She's in her
what? Oh, hi.
mode. And we have come here to eat only pudding. As scary as that sounds. The pudding here is so amazing that we just wanted to come here, and we're not going to eat dinner today, we're just going to eat pudding for dinner, and it's going to be worth it because it's so good. I made a video about Sushiro before, but I didn't mention the pudding here, and I always eat it when I come here. I can't come here without eating it, it's just way too good. So I will show you what it looks like. Is this one right here. Toroto pudding. 105 yen, and it is so delicious. How many should we order? 2 for now? We'll order 2 for now, and I'm sure we'll order more later. Yay! Are you excited?
Yes, I'm super excited. Love pudding.
Here they come, guys, here they come. We're gonna start with 4, see how far that gets us. Oh my god, look at it. It's so like thick and creamy. It's so good. This is so amazing. Oh my god. Everybody in the world needs to eat this at least once. Go to Sushiro and eat this right now if you're in Japan and you've never done it before.